How are you sacrifice on the summer situations? We have been all very sacrifice, and here is the uncomfortable situations we have been not getting to stay in these situations. The heavy light of the sun is very hamper situations, and we are feeling thirsty. Others conversations. Hi mom, how are you? I am working. What is the working? You can to see that I clean the everything in the floor's size is very dirty. I want to help you. Yes, but you help to me by the other work. What is my other work? Please, you clean the table and organize the bookshelf. Yes, mom. Thank you. You such a very good baby. Others conversations. I am eating the banana. Okay, you enjoy the banana. Please you take the other banana. No, thank you. I am finishing just to eating the banana, so I throw the banana peels on the roadside. No, it is the bad habit. It is not should be for you. Please you throw the peels of banana into the dustbin, please. Okay. Others conversations. Hi Raju, how are you? I come here for meeting you because I had listening about you that you are very suffering of the fever. How is your conditions? I am not well. I have been suffering for the fever, so I am decided that I shall go to the doctors at night. Yes, it is the good decisions. You should be to visit the doctors as soon as possible. Yes.